Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to generate PDF with charts using HTML and PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link of full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample Google Sheets data to generate PDF with charts. So let's begin. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create a Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Sheets app. Then, choose the new spreadsheet row as a trigger. Let's set up the trigger. In the Spreadsheet field, enter the spreadsheet name you created. In the Worksheet field, select the sheet where the data is located. Then, click the Test Trigger button. Once the test trigger is successful, move on to the action event. Search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the HTML to PDF converter for the action event. Let's set up the action. In the Input HTML or URL to convert field, input your HTML code together with the Google Sheet data. For the name field, type in your desired output file name. Then, click the Test and Review button. Once the test was successful, copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the generated PDF with charts from Google Sheet data. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.